my mother, the mother of the nation, Senator Olurami Tinubu, CON, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, wife of the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Hajia Nana Shettima, wife of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Hajia Fatima Tajuddin Abbas, members of the National Assembly here present, particularly the Chairman, House Committee on Women Affairs, Honorable Kafilat Obara, Executive State Governors here present, His Excellency Professor Babagana Zulum of Borno State, His Excellency Caleb Maftwang of Plateau State, Governor of Taraba State, and other Deputy Governors here present. All First Ladies of States here present and spouses of senior government officials, may I also recognize my colleagues and partners in progress, particularly the Minister of Education, Dr. Tunji Alausa, Professor Suwaiba Saad Ahmed, Minister of State Education, and my brother, Honorable Ayodele Olawande, Minister of Youth Development. May I also recognize our development partners here present, particularly the World Bank, FCDO, and other partners in progress. May I also recognize the ES of UBEC, Aisha Garba and her team, and also Team Agile. All protocols duly observed. Today, with a deep sense of duty, I stand before you as a voice echoing the silent cries, hidden dreams, and boundless hope of our children, the beating heart of our great nation, Nigeria. As we mark the National Children's Day today, the 27th of May 2025, we do so under the inspiring banner of the Renewed Hope Agenda, a national commitment to building a more inclusive, a more secure, and prosperous Nigeria for all, particularly our children. Nigerians' children deserve more than just survival. They deserve safety, they deserve dignity, and a full promise of citizenship. This year's theme, Stand Up, Speak Up, Bullying, Building a Bullying-Free Nigeria, is a clarion call for a kinder, safer, and a more secured society. It challenges us to uproot cruelty in all forms, from the schoolyard to the living room, from physical harm to emotional silence. Bullying is not a child rite of passage. It's a sign of deeper societal failure, often stemming from violence witnessed or experienced within the home or other safe spaces. Collectively, we would like to commend state governors of the Federation for domesticating the Child Rights Act of 2003, a powerful legal instrument that protects our children. However, domestication is not enough. We appeal that we complete the process, we gazette them, we allocate resources for their implementation, and we strengthen institutions such as the family courts to ensure duty bearers are equipped and being accountable. As duty bearers, we strive to meet our responsibilities. I must remind us that successful child protection demands a national architecture of coordination and commitments across all levels of government and sectors, from the health to education, to justice, to digital safety, security to social development. We must act as one and with one vision, one resolve to make Nigeria the safest place for an African child. We must also deliberate in mobilizing adequate resources. Budgets must reflect our priorities. Child development and protections are not optional. They are foundational to national security, economic prosperity, and moral responsibility. We call on partners, the private sector, development agencies, our philanthropists to invest in Nigerians' greatest resources, our children. The Federal Ministry of Women Affairs is proud of the recent milestones, the comprehensive review of the 2007 National Child Policy, the successful hosting of the Global Pathfinding Alliance on Ending Violence Against Children, the deployment of the Family Cohesion and Resilience Programs, the soon-to-be-rolled-out Universal Child Grants, and many other initiatives being deployed under the Renewed Hope Agenda for Children. These initiatives are critical investments in prevention, protection, and resilience. As part of our system strengthening efforts, we have embarked on a nationwide advocacy tour, working closely in collaboration with state actors to harmonize national and subnational response across all states. The Renewed Hope Agenda is not just a slogan, it's taking roots as a promise in every Nigerian child, family, and for women. Today, as we also celebrate the spirit of collaboration, we mark a powerful milestone in the education and empowerment of a Nigerian girl child, the the launch of the Agile program, and additional financing, and the grand finale of the Agile Games. I wish to congratulate the Honorable Minister of Education, the Honorable Ministers of Education, the state counterpart ministries of education in collaboration with the UBEC, the SUBEBs, for choosing such a symbolic day, the National Children's Day, to scale up this transformative program. Its significance is profound. Thank you, Your Excellency. Its significance is profound into investing in a girl child's education is to build the resilience of a nation. On this note, I wish to salute our partners, the World Bank, FCDO, the traditional and the new media, who have remained fearless in expressing cases, amplifying the voices of the vulnerable, and keeping all of us on our toes. You are not just storytellers, you are stakeholders in national architecture of child protection. We thank you for your vigilance and your voices. To our state governors, we extend our deepest appreciation for your unwavering leadership and for translating national priorities into local progress. May we also applaud the 10th Assembly, whose legislative courage continues to shape the future of every child by protecting our values. May I also appreciate our gracious, phenomenal First Lady, the mother of the nation, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, OONCON, whose motherly wisdom, unyielding compassion shines as a beacon of hope for families across our land. We celebrate you today, Your Excellency, alongside our children. Together, in tradition of national progress, we lift our voices in gratitude to a great pillar of our great country, our leader, our father, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, whose renewed hope agenda is a vision and a living promise for every Nigerian child, every Nigerian woman, and the Nigerian families. We are grateful for your unwavering commitment to advancing the causes and rights of children through the renewed hope agenda for children. And to the Nigerian children, our change makers, our hope, rest assured that you are seen, you are heard, and you are valued. You are the heartbeat of this republic. Stand up for your rights, speak up against injustice, build with your hands, your minds, and your heart the Nigeria that you want to inherit. Say no to bullying, treat others with respect and kindness. I would like to wish all of us a happy Children's Day. May your dreams be bright, your path protected, your voices never silenced. May this great nation continue to rise on the strength of your courage and character. May God bless our children, may God bless you all, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you so much.